An upside-down flag, the international sign of distress, flies outside of Crozer-Chester Medical Center as workers plead for someone, anyone, to save the embattled health system. Our coverage on Crozer continues right now on your news at 5. Thousands of nurses, doctors, patients, and support staff. The only thing that's certain for them all is uncertainty. Good evening, everyone. I'm Yuki Washington.
And I'm Natasha Brown. With just days now until the doors close for good, it was emotional, as you can imagine, outside of that hospital, outside of Crozer-Chester Medical Center today. Workers watched as Crozer's owners walked into court and asked a judge for permission to shut down the health network. Now, we do have live team coverage for you this evening. Let's begin with Chief Investigative Reporter Joe Holden. Joe, you've been following this now for months. You got real-time reaction today, though, from Crozer nurses as they watch today's hearing. Tell us about that.
Well, Natasha and Yuki, it has become decision time just within the last 5 minutes. The judge wrapping up a very long hearing, a virtual hearing in bankruptcy court, deciding that closure is really the only option left right now. That means unemployment for nearly 3,000 workers across what is a massive health system. That is the problem, according to testimony before the court this afternoon. It is so large, a closure process like this is so difficult. The judge said that, in essence, I just hate the widespread consequences here. I lose sleep over this case. If anyone out there thought a game of chicken is going on, it is not. She continued, unfortunately, it looks like the only option before us is closure. While their children played in a quiet Swarthmore Park, their parents, 4 Crozer nurses, watched a virtual bankruptcy hearing out of Dallas, Texas, to learn the fate of their jobs. Caitlin McHugh has worked at Taylor Hospital for 10 years.
I would hope that somebody would listen to this and understand that without this health system, people are going to die. I mean, people will die.
Earlier, an emotional rally of employees was ending as a business-as-usual scene played out across the street. An ambulance dropped off one patient, but in a sign of things coming to an end, this medical chopper arrived to start the transfer of patients out of Crozer-Chester's burn unit. An employee who asked we not identify her for fear of retaliation described a dismal scene inside her hospital's ER.
It's very, very sad in there today. Very sad. We don't know what's happening, and it's just going to end. It's going to end, and we don't know why.
Efforts to save Crozer Health have spanned months now. Close to $50 million was flushed into the system to keep payroll going. State legislators, prosecutors, the governor, and local elected officials have fought to save the system while condemning Prospect Medical Holdings' move to shut it down. State Senator John Kane doubled down, calling for criminal charges.
Absolutely. What Prospect Holdings did here is absolutely criminal. And we got to let this out there for everybody to understand. We can't allow this to happen in the state of Pennsylvania.
For Caitlin McHugh and her co-workers, the what-ifs continue as they and 3,000 others brace for unemployment.
The first thing on my list when this system closes is to sell my house and get out of Delaware County. I don't want to be a resident of this county any longer. Why would I, why would I want to live here?
Back live, so a stunning moment happening just moments ago, a stunning option that is to close down these hospitals. Taylor Hospital in Ridley Park, Crozer-Chester Medical Center right between Chester and Upland. Now, a patient advocate who works through hospital closures is calling for ambulances to be stationed outside these ERs once the doors are locked so that they can attend to emergencies. Another thought here that was shared before the court, everyone thought there would be a hero in all of this, and there is not, and that is shocking. Live in Swarthmore, Joe Holden, CBS News, Philadelphia.
There's just so much at stake. Yeah, it really is. Thank you so much, Joe.